The first application is to create a pest-resistant plant. Thus, it decreases the use of pesticides. So, pest-resistant plant acts as a biopesticide. The plant itself is able to protect itself from the pest attack. It reduces the need for insecticides. Examples of pest-resistant plants are BT cotton, BT corn, BT rice, tomato, potato, soya bean. All these are examples of genetically modified pest-resistant plants. So first, let us learn about BT cotton. This BT cotton, BT stands for the name of the bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis. And some strains of Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a bacteria which is present in soil. They have certain proteins, and we know proteins are produced due to the expression of certain genes, and these proteins present in certain strains of Bacillus thuringiensis, they are able to kill certain insects like coleopterans, that is beetles, lepidopterans, tobacco budworms, and armyworms, and dipterans like flies and mosquitoes. So they are able to kill all these organisms, pests, with the help of proteins which is produced by them. Bacillus thuringiensis, it forms a toxic insecticidal protein called as Bt toxin, and it's a crystal during a particular phase of their growth. As I told, it produces a protein, and that protein is a crystallized protein, and it is toxic. That's why it is able to kill those above said organisms. So it is called as a Bt toxin, and this Bt toxin is produced at a particular stage of the development of Bacillus thuringiensis. But this protein, crystal protein, is not toxic to the bacteria, as it exists in an inactive protoxin inside the body of the bacteria. This Bt toxin is in an inactive protoxin. When an insect ingests the inactive toxin, suppose this crystal protein Bt toxin, which is in the form of an inactive protoxin, it enters into the insect, it is converted into an active toxin due to the alkaline pH of the gut, which solubilizes the crystals. Due to the variation in the pH in the body of the bacteria and the insect which has consumed it, what happens? It solubilizes due to the change in pH. The pH inside the body, inside the gut of the pest or the insect is alkaline, and as a result the protoxin is converted into active toxin. The inactive protoxin is converted to active toxin due to the alkaline pH in the gut, and this toxin binds to the surface in the midgut region to the epithelial cells of the midgut region and starts to create pores. And once the pores are caused, it causes the cells to swell, and the lysis or the bursting out of the cells takes place and results in the death of the insect. So that is how the Bt toxin, which is produced inside the Bacillus thuringiensis, is killing an insect which has ingested it. Okay, so once it enters into the body of the insect, it gets solubilized in the midgut region, and this goes and attaches, the active toxin goes and attaches to the epithelial cells of the midgut and causes pores. The cells swell up and it bursts out, it lyses, and it brings about lysis and causes the death of that particular insect. So how is this gene utilized? Okay, the gene which produces this crystal protein is utilized. So Bt toxin genes were isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis and was incorporated into the crop plants such as cotton. So the genes which coded for crystal proteins were isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis, and they were inserted into the crop plants like cotton. So most Bt toxins are insect group specific. They are highly specific, pest specific. The toxin is coded by a gene, and the name of the gene is called as Cry gene. The Cry gene codes for the crystal proteins. So the name of the gene is Cry1AC, named Cry. So proteins encoded by genes Cry1AC and Cry2AB control the cotton bollworm. They are specific to cotton bollworms, and that of Cry1AB, Okay, Cry1AC and Cry2AB control cotton bollworms, and Cry1AB they control corn borers. Thus, a pest-resistant plant, that is Bt cotton, is developed by removing the Cry gene from Bacillus thuringiensis and inserting into a plant. Thus, the plant is modified. The genetic constitution of the plant is modified, and it is able to resist the attack of a pest. And this gene is highly insect specific, and thus we have developed a pest resistant plant with the help of biotechnology.